Today we're looking at 2002 Ford F-250, a 2002 F-350 with the air conditioner that doesn't work. Check the pressure, about 132 psi. Let's check the switches and see what we got. Wow, it's windy today. Let's take a look at this first switch right here on the side, this low pressure one. Okay, so that lifts up there. All right. 2 terminals. Okay, we got 0.2 ohms on that switch. Let's check the high pressure switch. Well, we got 0.1 ohms on the high pressure switch. Okay, so we've got 12 volts on the connector. We plug it in, and nothing happens until, watch this. Yeah. Now that the coolant reservoir is out of the way, let's take a look at this clutch and see what's going on. So this clutch is worn out. You've got significant wear grooves in here, so there's these 3 ridges up here corresponding to these 3 places in here where they've been rubbing into these rivets here. So this is worn out. Need a new clutch. It may or may not be available separately from the compressor. Okay, we're recovering the refrigerant right now, coming out the low side port. We got the bolts loose on the compressor and almost ready to take that off as soon as we're down to 10 inches of mercury. Vacuum. All right, we have a couple of leaks. O-ring right here and right here need to be replaced. Had to unbolt this accumulator so I can move it back a little bit and get my pick and pull off this O-ring. Now I'll match these up, see if this 2mm by 17 fits. Not too bad. Put a little oil on that and then we'll put it together. Get the oil on it and anti-seize on the threads there. Feels great. Don't have to be super tight because the O-ring is what holds the seal. Okay, we got this O-ring lubed up. Let's test fit it. Yep, works. No. When I was a kid, I wanted to be bigger. Realized sometimes there's advantages to being not so big. Got new O-rings on the compressor, and we're about ready to install the hoses. This O-ring looks like it's leaking. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Oh, because I'm on the wrong stinking side, that's why. I knew I was dumb, but man, I didn't think I was that dumb. This is the one I couldn't find. Alright, let's try the blue one. Blue is the right one. Okay, that's all in there, all the way around. Pulled the orifice tube out, and how does organic matter like that get in there? I mean, like, who serviced this last? Let's get a little oil on the O-rings, and let's put this new orifice tube in here. Oh, and new O-rings. New O-rings. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, leak test start. I'll come back in 10 minutes to see if that gauge has moved any. Okay, it's 12 minutes later and it looks about the same to me, so let's vacuum it out. All right, we got the replacement used unit in, belt on, hoses bolted up, vacuum in the system. All right, now we're vacuuming the system down.